What if I told you? DJI just launched a drone that defies physics? Helicopter in 2025. These 5 drones changed the game forever, but number 4 is so advanced, it feels like cheating. Want longer flight time? 8K footage? A drone that fits in your pocket? All links are below, but watch first, because the last drone? DJI doesn't even advertise it yet. Number 1. DJI Mini4 Pro. DJI's Mini4 Pro can do it all at a very reasonable price. It has an excellent onboard camera with a 1/1.3-inch sensor, 24mm f/1.7 lens, support for 4K 100 frames per second video with D-Log-M, HLG, and HDR capture and up to 48MP still photography. Endurance is around 45 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Plus battery, and it can fly up to 12.4 miles away in unobstructed terrain, all while transmitting a 1080p 60 frames per second signal to your controller. It has multiple subject tracking modes, so it's ideal for vlogging, and obstacle detection sensors on all sides help keep it out of danger. On top of that, it weighs less than 249 grams, so it's exempt from licensing requirements in most regions. Best of all, and I can't say this enough, it's priced reasonably, and even the basic kit comes with an RCN2 smartphone controller. Number 2. DJI Neo. Last year, I called DJI's $200 Neo the camera product of the year, period. It's a remarkably lightweight drone that can be piloted without a license and is people safe thanks to its shrouded propellers. It's great for beginners as you can simply place it in your hand and press a button, then it'll fly off and capture cool programmed shots like dronies. Just because it's approachable doesn't mean it's basic, though. You can pilot the Neo manually using DJI's controllers, FPV goggles, and even a smartphone. It can hit speeds up to 20 miles per hour while being highly maneuverable. And with the built-in AI features, it can track you while you walk or bike, making it a vlogger's best friend. Finally, it can capture all your footage at 4K 30p, with surprisingly good quality. The main issue is the banshee-like noise it emits, but overall, it's a highly useful product at a great price point. Number 3. DJI Flip. DJI's $439 Flip has a clever, user-friendly design, with all 4 propellers folding down and stacking below the body like some kind of Star Wars spacecraft. This helps protect the propellers to limit damage or injury in case of a collision. That people-safe design lets creators take high-quality 4K 60p video indoors, with D-Log-M, HLG, and HDR, even with dim lighting, thanks to the relatively large 1/1.3-inch sensor. Though the lightweight allows you to fly it without a permit, the large surface and slowish speeds means it's not ideal outdoors in windy conditions. And though the Flip offers sophisticated subject tracking modes, it has limited obstacle detection when that function is enabled. Still, it's a powerful drone with up to a 10-mile range that offers a lot of functionality for the price. Number 4. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. DJI's Mavic 3 Pro is the best cinema drone if budget is no object, thanks to the Hasselblad 4/3 primary camera with full D-Log capture, up to 4K 120 frames per second, that allows for excellent picture quality in most conditions. It also carries both 3x and 7x telephoto cameras that work well not just for creative content capture, but also things like wildlife spotting and search and rescue. Battery life is excellent at 43 minutes and range is a respectable 9.3 miles. Naturally, it has all of DJI's Active Track subject tracking features and is covered with obstacle detection sensors on all sides. Number 5. DJI Air3S. The DJI Air3S has a unique dual camera setup that allows you to capture many types of shots. The 50-megapixel, 1-inch sensor-wide camera with a 24mm f/1.8 lens supports 4K recording up to 120 frames per second and 1080p at 240 frames per second, along with D-Log-M to improve dynamic range. The secondary 70mm, 3x, zoom camera has a still decent 1.3-inch sensor, and supports the same video specs and color modes as the primary. Battery life is ample at 45 minutes and the Air3S can sense obstacles in all directions. The addition of a forward-facing LiDAR sensor aids detection in low light, making the Active Track subject tracking feature more versatile. With its high speeds up to 45 miles per hour, the Air3S can be used in windy conditions and can range as far as 12.5 miles away. It has 45 gigabytes of internal storage as well, on top of a microSD slot. The basic kit is reasonably priced, but I'd recommend paying a bit more to get it in the Fly More kit with extra batteries. So, which drone is your next sky beast? Let me know in the comments. Speech balloon: if this saved you hours of research, smash that like button, it helps the algorithm big time. Rocket: want more drone secrets? Subscribe, your future aerial shots will thank you. All purchase links are in the description. Mobile phone with Aero, and share this with a friend who's still flying last gen tech.